for cat. And C sound is go. Capital D, small d. D for dog and D sound is do. Capital E, small e. E for elephant and E sound is A. Capital F, small f. F for fan and F sound is for. Capital G, small g. G for goat and G sound is go. Capital H, small h. H for horse and H sound is ho. Capital I, small I. I for ice cream and I sound is E. Capital J, small j. J for joker and J sound is jo. Capital K, small k. K for kite. Capital L, small l. L for lion and L sound is low. Capital M, small m. M for mat and M sound is mo. Capital N, small n. N for nose and N sound is no. Capital O, small o. O for orange and O sound is O. Capital P, small p. P for parrot and P sound is po. Capital Q, small q. Q for queen and Q sound is quo. Capital R, small r. R for rabbit and R sound is ro. Capital S, small s. S for ship and S sound is so. Capital T, small t. T for telephone and T sound is to. Capital U, small u. U for umbrella and U sound is O. Capital V, small v. V for violin and V sound is vo. Capital W, small w. W for watch and W sound is wo. Capital X, small x. X for xylophone and X sound is capital Y, small y. Y for yak and Y sound is yo. Capital Z, small z. Z for zebra and Z